Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most luxurious and powerful American motorhomes ever built, the 2025 American Coach American Eagle. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of prestige, engineering excellence, and high-end comfort designed for travelers who refuse to compromise. From the moment you see the American Eagle on the road, its commanding presence and elegant exterior design immediately set it apart from ordinary motorhomes. Built on a robust Spartan K3 chassis, this motorhome delivers exceptional stability, smooth handling, and unmatched road confidence even on long cross-country journeys. Let's start with the exterior design, which blends sophistication with functionality. The full body paint finish features bold graphics and premium clear coat protection that ensures long-lasting shine. Large panoramic windows are carefully placed to provide maximum natural light inside while maintaining privacy and insulation. Automatic awnings with LED lighting extend your outdoor living space, making evenings outside just as enjoyable as time spent indoors. The exterior storage compartments are massive, offering side hinge doors and pass-through bays that make loading and unloading extremely convenient. These compartments are also climate-controlled, which is a huge advantage when carrying sensitive items during long trips. As you step inside the 2025 American Eagle, you are welcomed by an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. High-quality hardwood cabinetry, premium tile flooring, and soft touch ceiling panels create a refined interior that immediately impresses. The open floor plan design ensures that the living space feels expansive, even when fully furnished. Large opposing slide-outs dramatically increase interior room, allowing for comfortable movement and an airy environment. The living area is designed with both comfort and entertainment in mind. Plush seating options include ultra-comfortable sofas and power recline theater seating that provide excellent support during long drives or movie nights. The seating upholstery is crafted from premium materials that are durable yet soft to the touch. A large LED smart TV is seamlessly integrated into the living area, paired with a high-end surround sound system that delivers cinema-quality audio. Whether you are watching movies, sports, or streaming content, the entertainment experience feels immersive and premium. Moving into the kitchen, the American Eagle truly shines with its residential-style design. The kitchen features solid surface countertops that are both stylish and easy to maintain. A full-size stainless steel residential refrigerator provides ample storage for groceries, making long-term travel extremely convenient. The induction cooktop offers precise temperature control and modern efficiency, while the convection microwave oven expands your cooking capabilities. Deep stainless steel sinks and high-end faucets add both functionality and elegance, while abundant cabinet and drawer space ensures everything has its place. The dining area is equally impressive, offering a comfortable dining table with high-quality chairs that make every meal feel special. Large windows surround the dining space, allowing you to enjoy scenic views while eating. Thoughtful lighting placement creates a warm and inviting ambiance, perfect for both casual meals and formal dining experiences. The bedroom area of the 2025 American Eagle is designed to deliver hotel-level comfort on the road. A king-size bed with a premium mattress ensures restful sleep after long travel days. The bed is positioned for easy access on both sides and includes overhead storage as well as nightstands with integrated charging ports. A large bedroom TV and optional sound system allow you to relax in privacy, while blackout shades provide complete darkness when needed. The bedroom also includes generous wardrobe storage and dedicated drawers for clothing, making long-term living simple and organized. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with a spacious layout and high-end finishes. A large walk-in shower with glass doors offers residential comfort, while premium fixtures and tile accents elevate the overall feel. The vanity area includes ample counter space, modern lighting, and large mirrors that enhance the sense of space. The toilet area is thoughtfully separated to ensure privacy and convenience, especially when traveling with family or guests. One of the standout features of the American Eagle is its advanced technology and driver-focused cockpit. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed and fully adjustable, providing excellent visibility and comfort. Digital instrument displays, advanced navigation systems, and integrated driver assist features make driving this large motorhome surprisingly easy. Safety systems such as lane monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation enhance confidence behind the wheel. The powerful diesel engine delivers smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacity, making it ideal for hauling additional vehicles or trailers. Climate control is another area where the American Eagle excels. Multiple zone climate systems ensure that every part of the motorhome remains comfortable regardless of outside weather conditions. Superior insulation and noise reduction technology keep the interior quiet and peaceful, even while driving at highway speeds. Overall, the 2025 American Coach American Eagle is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. It is designed for travelers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing the comforts of home. Every detail, from the materials used to the technology integrated, reflects a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Whether you are planning extended road trips, full-time RV living, or luxury weekend escapes, the American Eagle delivers an experience that few motorhomes can